This led to a significant improvement in the overall quality of their products. Furthermore, AI played a crucial role in scheduling cleaning tasks. It considered factors like production schedules, downtime, and urgency of cleaning to generate efficient cleaning schedules. This not only ensured that cleaning was done promptly, but also minimized disruptions to the production process. The impact of AI didn't stop at just planning and execution. It also had a key role in monitoring the effectiveness of the cleaning. The AI system continuously tracked and analyzed the results of the cleaning processes, providing valuable insights and feedback. This allowed for constant improvement and refinement of the cleaning methods, leading to better results over time. As a result of implementing AI, OptiClean saw improved efficiency, reduced costs, and enhanced product quality. The contamination issues that once plagued the company were now a thing of the past. The company's success story is a testament to the power of AI in revolutionizing the SMT cleaning processes. This case study clearly illustrates the transformative impact of AI in maintaining cleanliness and preventing contamination in SMT. So what have we discovered today? Well, we've delved into the crucial role cleanliness and contamination prevention play in surface mount technology, or SMT. We can't emphasize enough how overlooking these key aspects can result in a host of issues, ranging from poor performance to outright product failure. But here's where it gets interesting. We've seen how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming these areas. Our case study wonderfully illustrated this transformation. AI is not just about making the cleaning process more efficient, although it does that superbly. It's also about reducing costs associated with manual labor and waste. And let's not forget the enhanced product quality that comes from a meticulously clean and contamination-free manufacturing environment. This is the power of AI in smart cleaning for SMT. It's a game changer, a revolution in maintaining cleanliness and preventing contamination. In the world of surface mount technology, cleanliness is indeed next to godliness. And with AI, achieving this godliness just got a whole lot easier.